Welcome to Adas Vidyalaya Max online class. Today I will see the chapter 2. Chapter name is Numbers and Series, exercise 2.3. Concurrence modulo. Two integers a and b are concurrence modulo n if they differ by an integer multiply of n, that b minus a equal to kn for some integer k. This can also be written as a concurrent b mod n. Here the number n is called modulus. In other words, a concurrent b mod n means a minus b is divisible by n. For example, 61 concurrent 5 mod n, because we can written as 61 minus 5 equal to 56, that is divisible by 7. Note 1. When a positive integer is divided by n, then the possible remainder are 0, 1, 2, etc. n minus 1. Second one, thus when we work with modulo n, we replace all the number by their remainder upon division by n given by 0, 1, 2, etc. n minus 1. Now we will see the illustration 1 and 2, that is understand modulo concept more clearly. First illustration 1. To find 8 mod 4, that means 8 is divisible by 4. Now take the possible remainders 0, 1, 2, 3. We draw one diagram clockwise because the value is positive value. 0, 1, 2, 3. The numbers are repeated. We start at 0, go through 8 numbers in clockwise sequence. 1, 2, 3, 0, 1, 2, 3, 0. After doing so cyclically, we end at 0. Therefore, 8 concurrent 0 mod 4. The second illustration, to find minus 5 mod 3. The possible remainders are 0, 1, 2, that is less than 3. We start at 0 and go through 5 numbers in anti-clockwise sequence. We get the numbers 2, 1, 0, 2, 1. After doing so cyclically, we end at 1. Therefore, minus 5 concurrent 1 mod 3. Now connecting Euclid's division lemma and modular arithmetic. Let m and n be integers where m is positive. Then by Euclid's division lemma we can written n equal to mq plus r, where 0 less than or equal to r less than m and q is an integer. We say that n is concurrent to r modulo m if n equal to mq plus r, some integer q. Therefore n equal to mq plus r. Now n minus r equal to mq. Therefore n minus r concurrent 0 mod m. N concurrent r mod m. Thus the equation n equal to mq plus r through Euclid's division lemma can also be written as n concurrent r mod m. Next, modulo operations. Similar to basic arithmetic operations like addition, subtraction and multiplication performed on number, we can think of performing same operations in modulo arithmetic. The following theorem provides the information of doing this. Theorem number 5. Let take a, b, c and d are integers and m is a positive integer such that we have two given value. First one is a concurrent b mod m and second one C concurrent D mod M. Then first one addition modulo A plus C concurrent B plus D mod M. Add LHS and RHS. Second one A minus C concurrent B minus D mod M. Same second one. Third one multiplication modulo A cross C concurrent B cross D mod M. Theorem number 6. If A concurrent B mod M, then the first one AC concurrent BC mod M. Second one A plus or minus C concurrent B plus or minus C mod M for any integer C. Illustration 3. If 17 concurrent 4 mod 13 and 42 concurrent 3 mod 13, then from theorem 5, first addition theorem, LHS value 17, second one LHS value 42. 17 plus 42 concurrent, both RHS is 4 plus 3, that equal to 59 concurrent, so 4 plus 3 7 mod 13. Second one subtraction, 17 minus 42 concurrent 4 minus 3 mod 13 minus 25 concurrent 1 mod 13. Third one multiplication modulo 17 into 42 concurrent 4 into 3 mod 13. 17 into 42 714 concurrent 12 mod 13. I will see example 2.11. Find the remainders when 70,004 and 778 is divided by 7. First we take 70,004 is not divisible by 7. Therefore we take 70,000 is divisible by 7. We using modulo concurrence method. A concurrent B mod 7. Here A equal to 70,000. Remainder B equal to 0, mod 7, N equal to 7. Therefore 70,000 concurrent 0 mod 7. We adding 4 on both sides because we want the value of 70,004. Therefore 70,004 0 plus 4 concurrent 4 mod 7. Therefore the remainder when 70,004 is divided by 7 is 4. Since second one 778 is not divisible by 7, therefore reduce one value. 777 is divisible by 7, the remainder is 0. Here A equal to 777, remainder B equal to 0, mod 7, that is N. So 777 concurrent 0 mod 7. We find the remainder of 778. Therefore, adding 1 on both sides, we get 778 concurrent 1 mod 7. The remainder when 778 is divided by 7 is 1. Next example 2.12. Determine the value of D such that 15 concurrent 3 mod D. Solution, here A value is 15, B value is 3. Using concurrence modulo A minus B divided by D equal to K for some integer. Therefore 15 minus 3 divided by D equal to K. Next one 15 minus 3 equal to KD. 15 minus 3 equal to 12. So therefore 12 equal to K into D. Gives D equal to 12 by K. Therefore the divisor of 12 is 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 12. But D should be larger than 3. Then so the possible value for D are 4, 6, 12. Next example 2.13. Find the least positive value of x such that first one 67 plus x concurrent 1 mod 4, second one 98 concurrent x plus 4 mod 5. First one solution 67 plus x concurrent 1 mod 4. Here a is 67 plus x, b equal to 1 mod 4. Therefore we change the value a minus b equal to 4n. A value 67 plus x minus b value 1 equal to 4n, n for some integer. Therefore 67 minus 1, 66 plus x equal to 4n. Substitute value x equal to 0, 1, 2, 3 etc. 66 plus 0, that is 66, not multiple by 4. Second one 66 plus 1, that is 67, is also not multiple of 4. 66 plus 2 is that equal to 68, that is multiple of 4. Therefore the least positive value of x must be 2. Since 68 is the nearest multiple of 4 more than 66. Second subdivision 98 concurrent x plus 4 mod 5. Here a is 98, b is x plus 4 divisible by 5. Therefore a minus b equal to 5n. A value 98 minus x plus 4 equal to 5n. 98 minus x minus 4 equal to 5n. Therefore 94 minus x equal to 5n. Now substitute x equal to 0, 1, 2, 3 etc. 0 equal to 94 is not divisible by 5. Second one 94 minus 1, that is 93, is not divisible by 5 etc. Substitute x equal to 4, that is we get 90 answer, that is multiple by 5. Therefore the least positive value of x must be 4, since 94 minus 4 equal to 90 is the nearest multiple of 5 less than 94. Next example 2.14. Solve 8x concurrent 1 mod 11. Solution 8x concurrent 1 mod 11, that is a equal to 8x, b equal to 1 divisible by 11, that can be written as a minus b equal to 11k. A value is 8x, 8x minus 1 equal to 11k, k for some integer. We get x value x equal to 11k plus 1 divided by 8x. Now 8x equal to 11k plus 1, therefore x equal to 11k plus 1 divided by 8. Now substitute value k equal to 0, 1, 2, 3 etc. but not divisible by 8. Therefore we put x k value is 5. Next 6, 7, 8 is not divisible by 8. Therefore 13, next value is 21, 29, then 11k plus 1 is divisible by 8. Therefore x equal to first k value is 5, 11 into 5 plus 1 divided by 8, 55 plus 1 56 is divisible by 8 equal to 7. Second, put x k equal to 13. Therefore 11 into 13 plus 1 divided by 8, that equal to 143 plus 1, 144 divided by 8 equal to 18. Therefore the solutions are 7, 18, 29, 40 etc. Next example 2.15. Compute x such that 10 power 4 concurrent x mod 19. Let take 10 square, that is value of 100. 100 is divisible by 19. We get the remainder is 5. Therefore 10 square equal to 100 concurrent 5 mod 19. Now we want the value of 10 power 4 concurrent x mod 19. Therefore 10 square the whole square, taking square on both sides, we get 10 to the power 4. Therefore 10 square the whole square concurrent 5 square mode 19. Therefore 10 to the power 4 concurrent 5 square is 25 mode 19. Here remainder is 25. 25 is greater than 19. Therefore once again 25 divided by 19 we get the remainder is 6. 10 to the power 4 concurrent 6 mode 19. Therefore x equal to 6. Next example 2.16. Find the number of integer solution of 3x concurrent 1 mode 15. Here a equal to 3x, b equal to 1 mode 15 divisible by 15. A minus b is divisible by 15 equal to k or n, anyone. Now solution 3x concurrent 1 mode 15 can be written as, that is the format of a minus b divided by n equal to k. Substitute a equal to 3k minus 1 b equal to 1 equal to 15 into k. K is some integer. Therefore 3x equal to 15k minus 1, interchange the value, plus 1. Therefore x equal to 15k plus 1 divided by 3. Now split the value, x equal to 15k divided by 3 plus 1 by 3. Now cancel 1 3s are 3, 5 3s are 15 equal to x equal to 5k plus 1 by 3. What is the question? Find the number of integer solution. Number of integer solution. Now substitute k equal to 0, 1, 2, 3, any one value. We get the integer. But the next value is 1 by 3. 1 by 3 is not an integer, that is a fraction value. Therefore x equal to 5k plus 1 by 3 is not an integer, since 5k is an integer and 5k plus 1 by 3 cannot be integer. Therefore no integer solution. Next example 2.17. A man start his journey from Chennai to Delhi by train. He start at 22.30 hours on Wednesday. If it takes 32 hours of traveling time and assuming that the train is not late, when will he reach Delhi? Once again repeat the question. A man start his journey from Chennai to Delhi. His start time at 22.30 hours on Wednesday. If it takes 32 hours of traveling time and assuming that the train is not late, when will he reach Delhi? Now starting time is 22.30 on Wednesday. Traveling time is 32 hours. Draw a line Chennai to Delhi. Starting time is 22.30. Let A equal to 32 hours. Therefore A equal to B mod n. A value is 32 hours. B is remainder mod 24. So 32 is divided by 24, that equal to remainder 8. Therefore 32 concurrent 8 mod 24. Therefore 32 divided by 24 equal to 1 into 24 remainder 8. Therefore 1 day after plus 8 hours. The travel time is 1 day plus 8 hours. Starting time is 22.30. That is Wednesday time. So add 1 day, that equal to Thursday. Thursday plus 8 hours. Thursday 22.30 plus 8, that equal to 22.30 plus 1, 23.30 plus 1, 24.30, that is 1230, plus 1, 130, plus 2, 230, plus 3, 330, plus 4, 430, plus 5, 530, plus 6, 630. Total add 8 hours, 8 plus 22.30, that is 6.30 hours. Therefore, the reaching time is 22.30 plus 32 mode 24 concurrent 54.30 mode 24 is divided by 54.30. The remainder is 6.30 mode 24. Thursday, next day Friday. Friday morning 6:30 he will reach the Delhi. Thus he will reach Delhi on Friday at 6:30 hours. That's all. Next example 2.18. The question is, Kala and Vani are friends. Kala says, today is my birthday, and she asks Vani, when will you celebrate your birthday? Vani replies, today is Monday and I celebrate my birthday 75 days ago. Find the day when Vani celebrate her birthday. Given that Kala birthday is Monday, Vani replies, today is Monday and I celebrate my birthday 75 days ago. Therefore, solution, let us associate the numbers 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 to represent the weekdays from Sunday to Saturday respectively. That means Sunday the number is 0, Monday 1, Tuesday 2, Wednesday 3, Thursday 4, Friday 5, Saturday 6 respectively. Vani says today is Monday, so the number for Monday is 1. Since Vani's birthday was 75 days ago, we have to subtract 75 from 1. Ago means subtract the value and take the modulo 7. Since a week contains 7 days, that is modulo 7. 75 subtract 1, that equal to minus 74 mode 7 concurrent. 74 is divided by 7, that is remainder is minus 4. Minus 4 mode 7, that equal to minus 4. Remainder is not negative value. Therefore, once again we subtract weekday 7 minus 4 mode 7. The concurrent 7 minus 4 is 3 mode 7. Therefore, minus 74 minus 3, that equal to minus 77 is divisible by 7. Thus 1 minus 75 concurrent 3 mode 7. The day for the number 3 is, that is Wednesday. Therefore, Vani's birthday must be on Wednesday. Next exercise 2.3 first sum. Find the least positive value of x such that. First question, 71 concurrent x mode 8. Solution, 71 minus x equal to 8n, that is a minus b equal to nk. Anyone? 71 minus x is multiple of 8. If substitute x value 1, 2, 3, anyone, substitute x equal to 1, therefore 70 is not multiple of 8. X equal to 2, therefore 69 is not multiple of 8. Therefore we substitute the value of etc and so on. Last value is x equal to 7. We get the value of 64. Therefore 64 is divided by 8. So the value of x is 7. Hence 7 is the least number. Second question, 78 plus x concurrent 3 mod 5. Solution, 78 plus x equal to a, b is 3 mod 5. Therefore a minus b equal to 5n. So a value is 78 plus x minus b value is 3 equal to 5n. Therefore 78 minus 3 equal to 75 plus x equal to 5n. Put x equal to 1, 2, 3 etc. X equal to 1 means that is 76 is not divisible by 5. X equal to 2 means that is 77 is not divisible by 5, and so on. We substitute x equal to 5 means we get value of 80, which is the multiple of 5. Hence 5 is the least number. Third subdivision, 89 concurrent x plus 3 mod 4. Solution, here a equal to 89, b equal to x plus 3 mod by 4. Therefore the format a minus b equal to 4n. 89 minus x plus 3 equal to 4n. Therefore minus x minus 3, x 89 minus x minus 3 equal to 4n. 89 minus 3 that equal to 86 minus x equal to 4n. Now substitute x equal to 1, 2, 3. If x equal to 1 means that is 86 minus 1, 85 is not divisible by 4. We put x equal to 2 means we get 84. 84 is divisible by 4. Therefore which is multiple of 4. Hence 2 is the least number. Therefore x equal to 2. Fourth subdivision, 96 concurrent x by 7 mod 5. Solution, here a value is 96, b is x by 7 mod by 5. First 96 is divided by 5, we get 1 as remainder. Therefore v equal to 1 equal to x by 7. So 1 into 7, 7, x equal to 7. Hence the least value of x is 7. Very simple sum. Fifth subdivision, 5x concurrent 4 mod 5. Solution, here a equal to 5x, b equal to 4 mod by 6. The format a minus b equal to 6n. 5x minus 4 equal to 6n. Therefore we substitute the value of x equal to 1, 2, 3. 1 is 5 into 1, 5 minus 4 is 1, that is not divisible by 6. And x equal to 2, 5 to 10, 10 minus 4 is 6. Therefore 6 is divisible by 6, which is the multiple of 6. Hence 2 is the least number.